Welcome to Cultivated, the podcast where sustainable landscapes meet smart solutions. I'm Eric Behunin, and I want to speak directly to the contractors today. The ones out in the field, running lean, trying to make every hour count. Today's episode is about modernizing your landscape business for 2025 and beyond. Not with fluff, not with theory, but with real tools and pathways that make your business stronger, smarter, and more profitable. Because let's face it, the old way isn't working the way it used to. We'll cover how automation is changing the landscape game, the pain points we're hearing from contractors across the country, and the tools, consulting, and training that can help you build a more sustainable operation, not just environmentally, but financially and emotionally too. Here's what we're hearing every day from contractors. Maybe some of this sounds familiar. You can't find labor, or if you do, it's inconsistent, unreliable, and expensive. Fuel costs are eating your profits. Clients expect more, quieter tools, cleaner service, lower emissions, but they don't want to pay more. You're burning out trying to manage logistics, estimates, crews, equipment, all while trying to grow. Every job bid feels like a race to the bottom. Whoever charges less wins. Quality, expertise, doesn't always matter. It's exhausting. But here's the good news. There is a better way, and you're not alone in trying to find it. Let's paint a picture of what's possible when you modernize. You're not chasing labor because your robotic mowers handle repetitive turf work daily, and your crew is focused on detail work and customer relationships. You're not fighting rising costs because your equipment is electric. You're saving thousands a year in fuel, oil changes, and downtime. You're standing out in bids because you don't just offer a service. You offer a solution with a documented plan, ROI, and reporting tools that impress even the toughest property manager. You're not stuck in survival mode. You're in a system that works. You have data to optimize routes, drones to evaluate irrigation, training programs to level up new hires fast. This is what we're helping contractors build every day at Horticultural Group. Our team works side by side with green industry pros to integrate automation into your operations without disruption. Transition from gas to battery in smart phases. Win municipal, HOA, and commercial bids with spec-backed proposals. And train your team to deliver next-gen landscape care from turf to trees. And all of this is designed to make your business run smoother, not add more complexity. Let me give you a quick breakdown of how we actually help contractors like you take the next step. We don't just sell robotics, we help you integrate them. That means site assessments, layout design, install support, and long-term maintenance plans. Whether you're curious or ready to scale, we help you move forward with confidence. Bidding on city or commercial jobs, we'll help you write specs, build service schedules, and position your proposal with sustainability and automation at the center. We've helped contractors win work they never thought possible. Our training programs bring your crew up to speed fast. Whether it's using robotic mowers, optimizing irrigation, or implementing soil-first fertility programs. We also offer contractor certifications you can highlight in your bids and marketing. Sometimes what you need isn't another tool, it's clarity. We help contractors build phased implementation plans that make sense for your size, crew, and clients. No fluff, just a real-world roadmap you can execute. You don't need to be the biggest shop in town to run a smart, sustainable, and profitable operation. You just need the right tools, the right systems, and the right support. Modernizing your business isn't about becoming a tech company. It's about building resilience. It's about protecting your time, your health, and your profit. If you want help moving forward, visit hortgroup.com or shoot me a message directly on LinkedIn or through the site. Let's talk through your operation and see what's possible. And if this episode helped you, I'd love for you to share it with a fellow contractor. Subscribe to Cultivated, leave a review, and help us get these conversations to the people who need them most. Until next time, stay grounded, stay growing,